Hey, I'm Derek Royal. I've been in residential construction for 40 years, remodeling, room additions, custom homes, and historical restoration. What I have here is a house that was built in 1907, and I own that little, we think it's the Maid's Quarter or Butler's Quarter, and that's what is behind me. I have full documentation on when we moved it over here, and I've owned it for 14 years. So right now all I use it for is storage for my construction business, and I'm coming to go fund it to document, restore, and put this house back the way it once was with what we have, and then possibly down the road be able to teach and use young men that are, that we could put to work that need to learn a trade and start building these things, so I got something to go out in the world and learn how to do. We're going to document it day by day, and post it and what we're doing. And so what we can get on funding would be for material and labor, and we will bring this thing back to where it was in its day. Thank you.